Okay guys, we're working on a 2008 328i BMW, and we're replacing the headlight, this projection headlight right here. And at first I thought you had to remove the air cleaner to come from behind, but no, you don't. What you need to do is you need to turn the wheel all the way to the left and remove the wheel well. It comes in two parts. So you remove this piece by removing all the 8mm bolts on the side. On the bottom, it has a 10mm plastic nut here and a connector back here, which is right here. Just press right here, press this tab, pull. Once you do that, it exposes that cover, which we're going to remove right now. I might even have to remove this bracket here. It's kind of in the way, so there's that cover. That's the cover we have to remove to get to that headlight. I'll show you guys right now once it's off. Okay, we have the cover out. This is the top part of the cover. Be careful. Make sure you remove this one, because if you don't and you just try to pull it off, you're gonna break it. So these are all the places that have the screws. Pretty much these right here, and it's let me see what it says. It's 25 torques. Screw. This is it. It just comes right off, and it exposes the bulb. Now here, all we have to do is, see this here? You have to press it down and pull it to unhook it from those little hooks that are here. These are 2 hooks. Press it down, pull it out, swing it out so we can bring out the bulb. Now, this has a connector here. This one, you just pull it out. That's it. I'll show you guys once it's out. Remember, push down here, pull. Okay, guys, to remove it, let me show you guys. To remove it, so hooked in. So to remove, pull this one to the side, and you pull this one in to the side, and it's free. Pull it out. There's the bad one. I had to check these on mine. I have a new one. Replace it. There we are. It's on. You already checked them. Highlights work. Regular lights work. Boom. We gotta put everything back together. Now, I made the mistake of turning the car on without the air box. So airflow meter is disconnected, so I'm not gonna check it. I have to erase that. Time to build it back up. Okay, we installed the wheel well back. Put all the screws that go along this side on the bottom, that 10 right there, and I'm gonna install these 2 right here. There's 2 of them that go here and 1 back here. They're all size 8mm, except that one. That one's a 10mm.